Well, it's been a few weeks now, obviously, since we've known Austin Forkner was going to triumph. Whether you're going to believe the rumors, the fact that Rhino put it on his Instagram before anybody else, or, well, the announcement that he actually is there. And now we have some video of him actually riding the bike. And you can say, yes, this is video of him riding that is put out by him or the team, however you want to say it. It's not going to be bad. Like, you're not going to see him struggling. You're not going to see him fall over or, look slow. So you have to take that with the grain of salt it is. But he does look smooth on this bike. Now, obviously, being with Kawasaki for so long, that's basically the only bike he's ever known, raced at speed. And switching over to Triumph, the second year it was a team for them, still developing that bike. I think it's going to be good for him. And if you looked at, he did an interview with somebody a while ago where he said he had a few offers, somewhere 250 to maybe a 450 deal. And obviously, we know Triumph doesn't have a 450 bike for this year, but they have introduced one or shown one. So maybe that was the 250 to 450 deal. Maybe this is what it is for him. 1 year on the 250, help him develop, do some 450 testing in the off season, and then maybe that's next year going on for him, which at this point probably wouldn't be that bad. I mean, he's been around the 250s for a very long time, considering he's been Kawasaki Pro since 2017, question mark. So at a certain point, like, you've become a real veteran of the 250 class is not something you really want to do. I mean, there are some guys who've done it for a long time and have no no real interest in moving up, but you can tell he's somebody that wants to move up to the 450s. And I think it'll be good for him if he can, help them develop this bike. Obviously, he is a championship level, championship speed rider every single year. So if he's on the bike helping them develop, it's going to go quickly for them, or quicker than it would be with, somebody rolling around in 15th or something. And I think it'll be good for him if he gets a year. I don't think he's going to win the championship. I think he'll be a contender for some wins and stuff, but I don't think he'll be a championship contender. But maybe I'm wrong. But I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you think of this move? Good for him finally to get a change of scenery to a different team. Whatever you want to say, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.